Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java object-oriented programming, session number 4. What is a class in Java? If you are confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about what is by program, what is by object-oriented programming, six pillars of OOPS. In this session, we'll discuss about each and every pillars of OOPS because six pillars we have mentioned in our previous session. So first we'll discuss about what is meant by class. So class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. We already discussed it is a logical entity, not a physical one. If I'm telling the mobile phone or laptop, it is not coming directly in front of us, just a prototype or design. So what the class can contain means fields. I will told you another name for fields, data members or properties or variables. Okay, same meaning, data member or property or attribute or fields. Next, methods, behavior, another name, behavior, constructor, blocks. These things we'll discuss in the forthcoming session. Now we just try to understand what the class can contain. So these are the components, fields, data members and methods only as of now we are discussing. Okay, I'll show you the example, then you can easily understand. First, this is just a, what's the difference between class and objects here. This is just a blueprint. Okay, so as a civil engineer they are designing the building. Okay, so this is the layout they are putting. Okay, define structure and bigger. Still no important thing, no memory used it. Okay, so we are just designing the building. After that, from this building only, from this base only, objects are created. That is what you're telling. An object is an instance of a class. That is a copy, a result of that class. Okay. So based on that blueprint, you can create n number of objects. You can create n number of objects. There is no restriction. Based on the blueprint, you are creating these objects. This is the key point. Class is a blueprint or template from which objects are created. From this blueprint only, these objects are created, coming out from. Okay. Now back to the real time example. Class we are telling mobile phone. So mobile phone is a class. What are the properties or data members of the class means brand, model, storage, price, RAM, camera quality, processor. All these things come under the data members or properties of the mobile phone class. Laptop also the same thing. Company price, RAM, or disk. All these things come under the properties of this laptop. Car also properties in the sense color, make, model, price, all these things coming under. Then what's the method? Laptop means or mobile. If you're taking the mobile phone, make a call, send a SMS, browse. All these things you can do. Action. So laptop means start, shut down, run the program, browse, car, driving. These are action. Okay. Very important thing. Class is considered logical entity, so it is not occupying any memory space. Just stored in the method area, that's it. Okay, this class area, it will be stored these things. What is that? Color, make, model, brand, model, storage, all these things will be there. Okay, just acted as a blueprint or template. Okay, memory will be allocated only when object is created from the class. Important point, if I'm declaring this, it won't get memory. When the object is created from that class mobile phone means particular mobile phone class, then only memory will be allocated. The reason is it's not a physical entity. I'll show the real-time example, then you can able to easily understand. Assume that the programming is so far not recommended. I'm just telling what is what alone. Okay. So mobile is a class. So what are the data members means processor, camera quality, mobile price. Method in the sense action, display, mobile details. Are you clear? So next, I'm creating an object readme. So this after creating this Redmi object or Vivo object, whatever it is, then only it will allocate a memory for this processor, camera quality, mobile price. Initially, it will be in the class area. After that, it will move on to the heap memory object. So what is the processor? Okay, what processor I'm giving? That processor will be the camera quality 30 megapixel means 30 megapixel, mobile price 50,000 means 50,000. Okay, the methods are make a call, send text, browse internet, display the mobile details. These are the methods. So this is just a compartment, okay? A template. That is what they are clearly telling. It does not occupy the memory. What is that? From class only objects are created. I hope these points are now clear to you. Next one, object. What is my object? It is an instance of a class. Can you see this? Just a copy or result. From this design only, these objects are free. These houses are free. That is what they're telling. It is an instance of a class. It represents a real world entity and as definitely it should have state behavior identity. State we already discussed what all the properties are attribute, what it has. Behavior in the sense action, what it can do, what it can do. So here I'm simply giving the pen chair as a class name, table, computer, watch. These are the data members. These are the classes pen, chair, table, computer, watch, and all classes. The data members are example pen means color, brand, size. So I'm giving the task to you. Just pause the video and then check it out whether you can able to solve it or not. See here, 1 minute. Yes. So I'm taking for a reference. Mobile phone is a class. Mobile phone is a class. And then object names are Redmi, Vivo. These are the objects. Data members are processor, camera quality, price, storage. All these things come under the data member. Methods are display mobile details, make a phone call, send a SMS, capture image. All these things come under the methods behavior. Now it's your turn to fill these boxes. I'm not asking programming because so far we didn't explain about programming. We are manually first working. So first you should clear with this basic idea. Okay. So first predict it what are the object names after the data members and method. This is your task. I hope you can able to do it. If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.